Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back in the villain with another freaking video. Today's wig is from Tinashe here. You guys know I love this company. I just love them. Their hair be always bomb. I don't really have any problems at all with their hair. So yes, they are, way up top notch on my list. So I'm just showing you guys everything that came in the packaging. Of course, you're gonna get this bomb silk bag that I showed you guys in the previous clip. You're gonna get your hair care instructions and other products that they do offer, other hairstyles and things of that nature. And you're gonna get a wig cap, and you're also gonna get a mirror. Kind of lost the clip where I showed you guys a mirror, but you do get a bomb mirror, okay? And we're gonna get the star of the show, okay? Today we do have their 13x6, yes, 13x6 lace. I said lace closure, Lord. Lace wig. And this is their deep, I think it's their deep curl pattern. Yes, it's their deep wave pattern. So love the texture of this pattern. And this is what the hair is looking like straight out the package. And I love that the consistency on this curl pattern is full, because sometimes when it get down to the ends a little bit, some curly hair units be a little straggly, but this one is thick from the root to the tip. This is just the construction of the unit that I'm showing you guys. The 4 combs, the drawstring at the back. It does come with baby hair, so you don't have to worry if you don't know how to create it. It does come with a little guideline. I always brush mine back because, you guys know I just do what I do. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and plop this bad baby on. I'm gonna do a full install, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the color wax. I'm super excited to try this. Never ever tried anything like this in my life, and I was kind of scared because you guys know wax, right? Wax is heavy. It's like grease. It's gonna weigh your hair down. So I was really scared, but this is what it looks like before I do any type of alterations to it. So I'm taking some scissors, y'all. I found my scissors. Y'all know in a couple videos ago I was using kitchen scissors. I found my smaller scissors, and this works better. It's always best to create, a sloppy line, and I say that because it just helps blend in more. You guys who are OGs, you guys already know this information, but when you hear stuff over and over and over and over again, that's how you learn, and that's how it clicks. So I'm just cutting off the excess lace, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my got2b glue hairspray method to lay down my unit. Not showing like full detail because you guys get my drift on how to do it. I know a lot of you have questions in regards to the hairspray, if it pulls out your hair or do you lose your edges. No, I only lost my edges ever from using that Ghost Bond glue. Any type of like bonding glue I can't use around my edges. I don't know, I just don't like the consistency of that glue, and I feel like it's just hard to get out of your hair, and I just don't have the time for it because it'll be balling up into little balls and it just rolls into my hairline, and it just be doing the most. With this spray, let me tell you, you only need water to remove it. 98% of the time I use water. If I'm too lazy to put some water on it, I'll just grab my alcohol and it just works as the same. So you don't have to worry about it snugging if you do put it on your hairline, because it is safe, okay? It's safe. It's hairspray. It's just extreme hairspray. It's like to me it's stronger than spritz, but you guys do not have to worry about losing your edges because you're not with this method. And yes, my hairline is a little beaded, it's a little busted and crusted. My braid's been in for a while, so don't come for me, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch this part. I probably talked through half of it, but all right, so we gonna back this up a little bit. I did let her sit for a good 10-15 minutes. And I'm going to go in and create some baby hairs. Now off camera, before I even applied it, I did add foundation to my lace. I just love doing it because it just blends in better. And I also went ahead and plugged into the unit just a little bit, y'all. I just wanted to, have that realistic look. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and create my baby hairs. I have tutorials, I have videos, I do it on almost every video, so you guys should know how I do it. I just cut at an angle, and all I use is hairspray. Now sometimes I do put my styling strips on top of it and then put my scarf on for that extra, like screaming hold. But then other times I just use my scarf and call it a day. So this is all we're doing with this part. Okay. All right, so off camera, to put the scarf on again, let her sit, I think for 5 to 10 minutes. And this is what she looking like. So she's laid. Okay. I was really loving the hair in this natural color. It was so freaking perfect. And I was like, I just didn't want it. I really did. After seeing it, after it laid and set, I didn't even want to put the color in because it was so bomb. So I'm just going in and detangling it. Y'all, I know I'm using a comb. Where's my brush? I don't know. I'm losing everything. So I just started from the bottom, as you guys saw, and I worked my way up. Now I did have a little bit of shedding with this unit. It's curly hair. Any type of unit, virgin hair, non-virgin hair, you're gonna get shedding, period. That's just it, okay? But it wasn't like it was coming out in clumps and stuff like that. I would 100% let you know if it was doing that, but I was getting the shedding. I didn't have any type of problem with it tangling up on me throughout this whole process. So super duper excited about that, because I was like, I don't know. But the hair was really soft, and I love when the hair is, I just love when it has like a buttery texture. Hair like that, I already know it's gonna be bomb.com. So I'm just taking some water, and I got this little bottle here, this bottle thing from Sally's Beauty. Just filled it up with water, and my bottle is dirty, okay? So that's why the water looks yellow. I had conditioner in there. I need to wash it, okay? Just being honest, I just need to wash it. So anyway, I'm just putting water on the hair, saturating it first. I do go on with like 2 styling products. Really not necessary and really not needed, because you're using wax. And like I said, wax is like grease. It's like a heavy product, and it's definitely going to hold your curl pattern and for life, and for dear life, It's going to weigh your hair down. Okay, I'm just letting you guys know that now. So Alright guys, so we're going in with the wax. I did use pick up the color blue. I will have the link to this product in the description section. So yeah, because I forgot where I got it from. But we're gonna go ahead and try it. And I just wanted to smear all over my hands because I'm extra and I'm just all about texture. I don't even remember if it was sticky. I don't think it was sticky. It was just more so like a heavy wax. Now, I did go heavy. Like, I went overboard because I wanted the blue to really show. Make sure when you're doing this method to wear a shirt that you're not going to need, okay? Because it will get all over the place. So, I'm just going to give you guys a rundown about the wax. I love the idea of, wax coloring. Now, y'all probably saying, why you ain't use gloves? This is not hair dye, it's just wax. So when I washed my hands, it came right off. Didn't have any problem doing that. As I'm applying the hair, I'm just scrunching it up. Like I said, I did put a lot. I went ham. I put a lot. So wax is just a substance that weighs it down. So you got to scrunch it up to get your curl pattern. And I feel like I was just not expecting it to work at all. I thought it was going to be an epic fail. I literally did. But honey, when I saw that color come in, I was like, yes, this is so much easier. I probably want to try it. You would not want to try this on straight hair. And I'm saying this because it's wax. If you try this on straight hair, it's just going to weigh your hair down and you're just going to look like a walking broom. It's going to be stuck and stiff, okay? But curly hair, you can get away with it because, it's curly hair and it just works 10 times better. So I was like, yes, with this unit. Now, when it dried, it took a while for it to dry, but when it dried, it was a little crunchy. You're going to get the little crunchiness because, like I said, it is a wax, but it was easy to apply, easy to wash out. Didn't have any problems with it. One thing I will say, this will leave some stains. So if you're wearing a shirt throughout the day, I had a lot of people point out, oh, you got a little, blue tint on your shirt. So be mindful of that. You might want to wear a dark color shirt when doing this so it won't be as noticeable, but I wanted to be all extra and wear a white shirt. Not this one, but you guys will see. But overall, I love the product. I do have other colors that I want to try out as well, but this blue was very, very vibrant and it was just beautiful. I love how it turns out. It's another alternative to the wet hair look because it's going to definitely lock in that, that pattern when your hair is wet. So this is another alternative. Like I said, you're going to get a little crunchiness because it's like a wax. It's like it does harden. But as you guys can see, it still looks, of course it looks way down because I went heavy, but it doesn't look stiff and it still has body. And this is when it's low-key wet. It's still a little bit, well, it's a lot wet, just got done. But this is a little bit later and it still came out bomb. Like I said, it still looks wet. I love that wet hair look. And y'all, it took to the hair very well. So very impressed. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to check the description section for information in regards to this hair. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.